Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I know well the last person taken out from hell, or who will be the last one to enter paradise. That man will be brought out of hell dragging in prone position. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, enter paradise. He whereupon will come close paradise, but feel that it is full. So he will return and submit, O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, I have found it packed to capacity. It will be said to him, go and enter paradise. He thereupon will reach it, but again feel that it is full. So he will again return and say, I have found it full. He will thereupon be said, go and enter paradise, because for you is like the world, and 10 times as much, or for you is equal to 10 times of your world. He will submit, why are you making fun of me, whereas you are the real king? I whereupon saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiling to such an extent as his molars got exposed. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is the lowest rank for the inmates of paradise. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6571.